Hello everyone, my name is Nathan Byerly and this is my week 4 project review for APD term 1408. Okay, over the past few weeks we were leading up to this one moment, and it is the finalization of an application of our choice. I chose Virtual Kitchen, which is a recipe application which you could put in all your recipes, use them at your home or you're over to friends or have a family outing, whatever the case may be. So I'll just give a brief look at all the code here. All the information is stored within the core data. Let's go ahead and give a look of the main board here. All the information is saved within core data and retrieved from core data. As you see, it starts with the main table view, moves on. This first part is the recipes, so recipe lists. You want to add your recipe, which contains all the information such as the recipe name, the cook time, the category. When you select the category, you get taken to this window. You select your category from a list. This list down here, it is the view. Once you select from here what it is that you're wanting to look at or get the information on, it will be displayed here. Down here is the category section. This is where you will be able to view and add, edit, or delete categories, which will then be displayed here for you to pick when you're adding a new recipe. The core data files, I put them all in their own files instead of mixing them in with their respective sections. Just made it a little bit easier in the end when to call it from one base file than having it split up and spread all over the place. So I got my core data table view controller and the table view cell. And then the two sections, we got the category section and then we got the recipe section. This is the category section. This is the NS managed object, which is actually pulled from the model data here. So the category, so all this, which is only one, and then the relationship with the recipe is pulled and stuck into here. And then the same goes for the recipe. You got all the attributes, and then you got the relations for the entity. And you see in the recipe it's got all the same information. The table views, of course, for each. I did clear out all of the warnings except one. One of the warnings, actually, instead of having to go through and rewrite a lot of stuff, is this here. I got a warning because of the selector. So what I did was added this little line of code here, which will remove the warning from popping up. The one warning I do get is for the launch image, and for some reason I had issues loading one. I had designed one the same as the current one, but for some reason it would give actual errors. So I'm not sure. I'm still actually going to look into that to figure out why that was doing that. Of course, you got the detail view for the recipe. And then the add recipe table, which got split at during milestone 2. And then the app delegate, which contains a lot of the managed object information, as you see here. It also contains some preload data, so when you first set up, it will have some categories already preset, and then you can either delete those, and then of course you can always go in and add your own. and then the one image, which is the well, I should say the fork and knife and the folder image, which are at the base of here. That's for the each tab, the category tab, and then the recipe tab. And oh, there was one thing I wanted to show. I actually had quite a few people message me and ask me about the app. There is an app I use called Color Picker. So it helps with designing. It shows the NS color, it shows the UI color. You select this and you can select anywhere on your screen. It doesn't matter where, and it will pick the color for you. Select it again, click there. And then when you click this, it will open your color picture for what you're designing. So to get that, it's on your app store. You just type in Color Picker at the top, and it is the fourth one from the left. I believe it is $1.99 for the app. Me personally, well worth the money. As I said, it's very helpful. It gives hex colors. It gives the predefined code, so it automatically codes it. You can save the color, but you can select anywhere on the screen and you can pick the color that way. Very, very helpful tool. But yeah, that's where you would find it. A lot of people ask me, where do I find that? So you just type in Color Picker. That's usually the third to the fourth one from the top left, and it's got the little eyedropper in the middle of the many colors. But that is all I have for my review. Thank you for watching. Bye.